Greetings to everyone. This is our second experiment in the case tools lab that we have. What we see here is a class diagram of an organization system. So, what we're supposed to represent here is the working of an organization, how it takes complaints, and how it does the product exchange and the customer delivery. Now, as you can see here, we have the organization. Organization has attributes such as organization name, management, license. So all these criteria are important for this particular organization. Next, we have marketing, production, delivery, managed supply chain. These are the methods that are involved in organization. Now we have product. So this particular organization is responsible for selling products. So each of the product has a product ID, it has a name, and it has a particular email, and each product is checked for damage checking under this particular method called damage underscore check. Customer, so which customer purchases this particular thing, what is his ID, what is his type, what is his name, what is the email of this particular customer. So what all did he purchase, how much did he purchase, if there is a particular issue, how does he register a complaint, how does he return a product. Okay, and there is another class which is known as the complaint resolver, which so this particular class, what it takes is it processes the complaint and it processes which product there is a problem, it processes its ID, it processes the customer ID who registers it, and its email. So it's going to check what kind of complaint it is, and it is going to process that particular complaint. And all these classes, all these subclasses, product, customer, and complaint resolver, all these are extended from this particular organization class, and they are provided as an input to this particular organization class. In the same way, we have another class diagram over here, which is the patient billing system. So the whole thing is a hospital which manages all these things. So we have hospital management, which has employee name, employee ID, system details, bill details, patient details. So what this hospital management class has is the patient details, bill details, system details, which are received from other classes in the same way employee name, employee ID also received. So if it is a patient, if it is a patient, it is extended like this. So we have an ID for a patient, a name, and the charges that are tariff for this particular patient, and the details of his disease and everything. So these details are also again obtained from other things such as bed and ward. So bed ID. So there is a particular number for each every bed. So the bed type and what kind of ward he is in. If he's in an ICU, that is another ICU ward. If he is in a child ward, he that is a child ward. So in wards again we have separate beds. So these details are very essential for locating a particular patient and for taking what supplements he has taken, what food is being received. It is going to be very easy for doctors or people who are supposed to take care of them to go meet them, and it is going to be very easy for the nurses to meet them and give them appropriate food. It is going to be easy for them to do a proper check for the patients. In the same way, we have doctors. So now this is the employee side of our hospital. So each and every doctor also has an ID and a name, and what kind of practices he is in, what kind of medicines he's prescribing, what kind of tests he's prescribing, and what kind of reports he's supposed to check. Now, this medical treatment can be either some tests or it can either be an operation. So this test bring out results that would make the enable the doctor to prescribe medicines. In the same operation is basically for treating something. So this operation details such as what equipment is needed, what operation is being done, what kind of operation is being done, what part it is being operated, what kind of name it is. If it is a heart transplant, yeah, that is what name. The details of the operation, on which date this has been done, this pain that has been done, in which patient it has been done. All these details are recorded in this particular class. Thank you.